Hello, I'm Naomi. Today, I'm gonna make traditional and seasonal Japanese sweet, Zenzai, sweet red bean soup with mochi. January 11th is the day of eating Zenzai, cooked with Kagami Mochi, New Year mochi decoration for good health and fortune. I'll show you how to cook it by using a cast iron pan. Now let's get started. Today I use a cast iron pan that helps cook evenly. But you can use any pan, of course. Add 120 grams of red beans and pour a large amount of water. Then bring to a boil. If you feel it's such a hassle, you can cook with the commercially available cooked azuki beans and dilute the same amount of water and boil down to a thicker texture. Let's bring to a boil. This is not for being softened, for pre-boiling to remove the harshness. Now let's pre-boil for 5 minutes. Let it sit for another 15 minutes to remove the astringency. Replace red bean into a clean pot again and add 700 cc of water. Let's boil. From now on, low simmer for about 1 hour. After well softened, add sugar, 1/3 teaspoon of salt, then simmer for 10 minutes. Normally, we make Zenzai with a large New Year ornamental mochi, which is called Kagami Mochi. But today, I'm gonna use this tiny mochi. Toast it with about 10 minutes with turning frequently. How did you like it? Unfortunately, this red bean soup is not suitable for keeping in a freezer because it's very perishable. But I hope you enjoyed it in 11th of January, and I wish you a good health and ending up this COVID situation very soon. So thank you guys for watching and see you next time.